I didn't expect a delicious food. First, prepare a bowl of cornmeal and put it in a basin. Then add a spoonful of sugar and a spoonful of yeast, then mix it evenly with a spoon and set aside. Then put 2 irregular bombs into the bowl and stir it with chopsticks. Set aside evenly, then pour the beaten egg liquid evenly into the cornmeal, stir evenly with chopsticks, stir to form a dough like this, then add an appropriate amount of water, continue to stir with chopsticks, stir to form a batter, like this in the video. Then wind cover the plastic wrap and let it rise for 20 minutes, then brush the electric pan with oil, pour in the prepared batter, and then use a small spoon to give him a pop-up bottle. Is it really fragrant in November? The whole house is filled with fragrance, and then put it on the board. Let's just change the knife and put it on the plate. Cornmeal, and you have to do it like me. Oh my God, it's really delicious. In the end, it's still the same sentence. Follow me. You can only find me when cooking. Thank you.